In this video, we are going to explain how to perform multi-mode MPO MTP testing using WireXpert. A standard MPO MTP testing kit consists of the following items: a local power meter adapter and a remote light source adapter. 3 sets of cords consisting of a key up to key down type A launch cord, a type A tail cord, and 2 sets of reference cords consisting of a type A and a key up to key up type B. A pair of type A mating adapters. A one-click MPO MTP cleaning kit. Setting reference is the first step before proceeding to testing of trunk cables or cassettes using WireXpert. Plug the local and remote adapters onto the local and remote units of WireXpert respectively. WireXpert will detect the adapters and prompt to restart the device if it is not already in the MPO MTP configuration mode. Click Yes to proceed. Once WireXpert is restarted into the MPO MTP configuration mode, the following connections are required to set reference. To identify the launch, tail, and reference cords. The launch and tail cords have male or pinned connection on one end, and female or unpinned connection on the other end. The launch and tail cords are also longer in length. The reference cords have female connections on both ends. It is also shorter in length. Press the Auto Test button on the remote unit of WireXpert to begin transmitting of light source. Setting reference between the local and remote units is very critical in fiber testing. It zeroes out all the errors between the adapters and the reference cords. Press the Tools button on WireXpert and select Set Reference to begin referencing. Once the set reference is completed, disconnect the reference cord between the mating adapters and replace it with a link to be tested. Please be careful when disconnecting and connecting of cables. The adapters are pinned in nature, only the unpinned end of the launch or tail cords can be plugged into the adapter. Plugging in the pinned end into will damage both the adapter and cord. Press the Setup button on WireXpert. Click on Limits. Depending on your requirement, select either the predefined 40G base SR4 or 100G base SR10 limit. Or choose Custom Limit to manually define the maximum loss for the link. According to IEEE standards, the limit depends on the type of cable that is used. The loss limit for an OM3 cable is to be under 1.9 dB and stricter for OM4 cable at 1.5 dB. Next, press the Auto Test button on WireXpert. Once auto test is completed, the device will display the results. WireXpert displays various results such as the absolute power and relative loss on each channel at the receiver. The polarity, that is if the link is a type A, type B, or type C. The connection map, that if there is any broken connection between the channels. All results are in charts and graphical representations. Test results can be saved by clicking the Test button. Enter the labels and click the Save button again. Saved results can be viewed by pressing the Data button on WireXpert. Or exported to export PC software for PDF printing or reviewing later. For more information on WireXpert or MPO MTP testing, please email to wirexpert@psiberdata.com.